guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for like so long, I don't even know how long, but the last time I did a video was literally like last year, so I'm sorry for that. I am back with the videos, and for this video I did this cranberry look using the Daisy Marquez palette. I don't know how I achieved this look, then make sure to keep on watching.
Okay, so starting off, we're going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Concealer to set my eyes for eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this all over my lid. Next, we're going to be setting it with the Airspun powder in the shade Neutrally Neutral. And for transition, we're just going to be using this little shade right here from the ColourPop Build Your Own palette. And yeah, it kind of looks burgundy because I use the same brushes for my other eye, so yeah. And for the burgundy shade, we're going to be using this shade called Bittersweet from the Daisy Marquez palette. And I'm pretty much packing the shade and kind of like dragging it out, making it look like kind of like a wing. And yeah, it looks kind of rough right now, but as we go, we're going to be blending it out. By the way, I also keep switching brushes and sometimes I don't show that, so I'm sorry about that, guys. But yeah, just blending out the edges now, and as I keep packing more eyeshadow, I keep blending that out as well. Right now I'm just like packing more color just so that eyeshadow can look darker. Now I'm just grabbing like a big fluffy blending brush just to blend out really good the edges. Now this is the easiest part of the eye look. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease with a lower concealer and a flat brush. And yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory, as you guys can see. Next, I'll be using this flat brush from the Wet n Wild collection and go ahead and add Icy from the Daisy Marquez palette on my lid. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to be using this small ass brush from the Wet n Wild collection as well. And for this little brush, I'm just going to go ahead and define my crease. This brush is really fucking good to be defining your crease, bitch. Like, it's bomb as fuck. But now I'm just gonna be grabbing this other blending brush and be grabbing more of the burgundy shadow just to kind of blend out on the edges of my eye, making it look kind of more like smoky. I don't really know how to explain it, but just blending that burgundy shade with the icy shade. Now I'll be grabbing this other blending blush that I was using earlier just to blend everything out. And after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the whole mess that I did and make it look sharp and clean. And now I'm just adding ring light from the James Charles palette on my brow bone. For lashes, we're gonna be using the Batty Bee lashes in the style Saucy. And to prep my eyelashes, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paradise mascara in the shade Darkest Black. Moving on to the bottom of my eyes, I'm going to be using this smudge brush from the Wet n Wild collection and just go ahead and use the same color that I use for my eyes, obviously, in the bottom, and use this other Morphe smudge brush to smudge out the eyeshadow. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and add the same mascara that I used for my upper lashes. I'm sorry I look really ugly right there. I was like trying to show you guys how I do my bottom lashes, but it's kind of difficult. But anyways, moving on to the face, we're gonna be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. This is like my favorite fucking primer. It's really freaking good. And following up with that, we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild Coconut Spray. And for my foundation, we're gonna be using the Maybelline foundation in the shade 128. It's called Fit Me Foundation. I forgot for a minute, I'm sorry. But it's called Fit Me Foundation and it's in the shade 128. And I don't know where my mom got this sponge from, but it actually works pretty good. So we're just gonna be using that one to blend out everything. And for concealer, I'm gonna be using the same one that I used for my eye primer, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome Concealer in the shade Light. Now I'm gonna be setting my face with the Airspun powder. And yeah, pretty much just leave it there a little bit because my face has been a little bit dry lately. So I don't really like to bake my face anymore. I kind of just add the powder and then immediately remove it with a big fluffy brush. Yeah, that one. And for contour, we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Dulce de Leche and pretty much bronze my face. I realized I said like we're gonna be using like so many times around this video, so sorry guys, it's just a habit. But now I'm just gonna be contouring my nose with this little brush and the same bronzer that I used to contour the rest of my face. And for blush, this is really embarrassing that I'm even showing you guys that, but it's really my favorite blush and I recently just broke it. So yeah, it's from Wet n Wild, but I don't know what it's called, the shade. I think it's called Peach. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that though. But now, of course, we never ever want to miss this step, which is cutting your cheeks, making sure they look sharp AF so that contour looks bomb, bitch. And to set my whole face, I'm be using the Jeffree Star Plus Morphe setting spray. And for highlighter, I'll be using this highlighter that I got on my Ipsy bag. I don't know what it's called, sorry. But last but not least, just gonna put some chapstick on my lips and prepping for lipstick, which I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Seraphine.
So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to keep watching my videos, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.